it's Nicole here from Mom's Pocket Survival Guide, also known as momspsg.com. And today I am really excited to do a review on Badger Balm. So this brand, Badger, is one of my favorite companies. I just love their products, and I've been using them for years. I first found them because I needed something as a muscle rub for my tired legs after running, but I was looking for something more natural, and I can't even tell you how amazing this is. So went on a run, did something that kind of, I don't know what I did to my legs, and I came home, put this on, and within 15 minutes, I just started feeling so good. Everything that they use is 100% natural, and it's sourced sustainably. And the company originally started back in 1995 by a gentleman by the name of Badger Balm. He's still the CEO, and that's another great thing about this company. They're family-owned, family-run. They take really good care of their employees, from what I understand, including like extended maternity leave. So moms just love supporting these businesses that take care of us, as well as the other parents and caregivers. But just to show you, in this sore muscle rub, it is castor oil, olive oil, beeswax, cayenne, ginger, cardamom, lemongrass. Let's see, ginger, rosemary, wild marjoram, sage, and rosehip. That's it. That's what's in this. And it's this balm. This one's almost run out. I'll show you a different one actually, just so you can see like what they actually look like. And you can see it's like a balm, has a little bit of oil extract, and it's a little greasy. So that's the one thing you got to be careful with, is put it on, let it set in for a minute before you put your clothes on. But they have these incredible smells and aromas, and this, just like I said, it just soothed all my sore muscles. In fact, I even used this when I was in labor. I went into a 30-hour labor with my son. What fun. But it really helped in some of the sore spots that I have. My husband would just rub it on. And I even use this other one that's great. It's called a stress. Oops. Let's do this wrap around there. Ooh, stress soother. And I put this on my forehead, underneath my nose, just to breathe in the aromas, and calming would just happen, or pain relief would happen within less than 15 minutes. And it's natural, so you can feel good about it. I just keep going back to it because I get results. That's the biggest thing about this brand. I just find their stuff works. And they run about $5 to $15, depending what you're using for the balms. But what's amazing is they don't stop there. They have things like sunblock that are zinc oxide, and it's the low non-nano, so it's like the healthier version. And bear with me as I'm still learning some of this stuff. They even make in their tins, as well as in the tubes, chapsticks, lip balms. They have everything you can imagine, from baby for needs for baby up to like your grandparents. They make facial lotions, oils, I think soaps. They have beautiful facial soaps, and like I said, everything's sustainably sourced, highest quality ingredients. For example, if they're using something like rose in their balms, they are getting them from Bulgaria, and the petals that pick that day are distilled that day. So you're getting the freshest and the highest quality ingredients. They know who their suppliers are, and that's a really great thing. And considering the price, it's incredible. You can get them at badgerbalm.com. iHerb also sells them, and sometimes you can get like free samples to test too when you buy, I think, so many items from Badger Balm. And that's really cool because I got to test their mint lip balm, which I loved and I still use. But like I said, the proof is that I've used it after running. I've used it on really stressful days, including labor. And it's got me great results. And I love what the company's about. It's been around since 1995. Just started from Badger Bill needing he had cracked hands and he just wanted a balm for that. So check them out at badgerbalm.com. And yeah, I mean, there's like, just to give you an example for some of the other items too, there's headache soother, focus balm, which is great because I have ADHD, so that one works really well. Tangerine Breeze classic lip balm. And one thing that's happening too, guys, don't be shy for using this. I found there's some weightlifters that have been raving about this sore muscle rub. They have a joint rub. So it's for guys too, not just the women in your family. There are so many things that it makes. I've bought some for my brother for his workouts because he's a heavy skier and biker, and it's just great to use after those long days when you really want to kind of like soothe yourself. So check out badgerbalm.com and momspsg.com, as I will be posting this video there, as well as on YouTube where you're seeing it. And then let me know your thoughts. If you've tried these, what ones do you love? What Badger Balms do you love? So thank you for checking out my video, guys. And if you like what you see here, subscribe below and leave me comments of what other products you'd like me to review. Cheers!